And
Sure.
for me, it's just for senior dogs to have safe, loving place, whether it's a week, a day. I know, emotionally it is tough because you don't know how long you have with them, but and I'm also like a licensed therapist. So for me, it's just like that emotional, giving them that emotional healing before they pass on. Yeah. So and just it's beautiful to watch, a senior dog still come from being, whether it's any physical, emotional trauma, for them to open up and little burst of like energy and seeing them
Yeah.
whether it's emotionally or physically recover, it's beautiful.